So Christmas is right around the corner, which means we will probably all be wrapping a lot of gifts really soon, if we haven't started already. So check out this quick tip. Well, it's more of a trick that will help you save on your wrapping paper. Hey guys, and welcome to my channel where we do DIY projects, crafts, and some organization, but all on a budget. Check out today's video. So this trick was actually shared, tip, I'm not exactly sure what to call it, but it was actually shared with me and I'm very excited to try it, but to be completely honest, this will be my first time. So let's see if we can make this work. So often, this is the problem that I run into. I cut a piece of paper, I think it's going to be fabulous, I've measured, and I mismeasured. So, no matter which way I have my box, I can't get it to fit. I learned that you can do a diagonal fold. So, you put it about in the middle, and as long as you can bring it up so that both of your edges cross over all the corners, we should be good. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to pull it over this way, and I'm going to secure it with some tape. Now I use a lot of tape because I like mine to stay really sturdy. Then what I'm going to do is on this side, I'm going to fold it in, like this. So you want this nice edge, and then we can fold it up. Which I'm going to do all the way around. Voila! It is really important that you get your edges straight along here rather than kind of doing it this diagonally way. So it's really important that you pull it up and then fold it in so that it's going to create that straight line in the corners, and so that you don't have this kind of mix match kind of patchwork at the bottom where your taping and your lines are. You want to do one side and then the other. So let's try it one more time. That was a lot easier to do the second time around, and I think it turned out really good. It's easy to get the hang of as long as you're remembering to fold and then bring it up. So I think that looks really cool. Let me know if you guys give this a try. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know it's a little different. I'm going to try and classify this as a craft because you are manipulating paper. I don't know. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know if you give it a try, and I hope it saves you some paper this Christmas. If you do have extra paper that you're trying to figure out what to do with and you can't find a present to wrap, then I usually take a piece of it and I cut it out, and then that's what I use for the tags on the tops, so that you could have like the birds, the poinsettias, you can have snowflakes, you can have bulbs, snowmen, there's so many different coverings for their wrapping paper. It would be so easy to just cut any of these little guys out and be able to print to and from on there, so you don't have to go and buy the tags as well. I hope this helps you guys out this Christmas season. I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.